In a speedboat race, David gives Peter a head start of 10 miles. So David is here and Peter has a head start. How many miles? 10 miles. Right? 10 miles. David's boat has a maximum speed of how much? 80 miles per hour. And Peter's boat has a maximum speed of? No wonder he has a head start. Otherwise, from the very first minute, David will be the winner, right? Yeah. Otherwise, there's not even a competition to begin with. Okay. And the question is, how long in minutes? Careful. There's a trap. He is giving you data in hours, but he is expecting the answer in minutes. So watch out. Will it take David to catch up to Peter if they leave their starting marks at the same time? So David is racing. And then Peter is racing. When will you say that they both have caught up? They are at the same point, right? So I would write that as an equation. Distance traveled by the David, if it is equals to 10, the head start plus distance traveled by Peter. That is the equation. Is the equation making sense now? Right? Is the equation making sense now? So what is the distance formula? If you know the speed and time, don't you multiply the speed and time to find out the distance? What is your speed formula? Exactly. So for distance, don't you multiply these two? Is that making sense now? So how do you find out the distance? Speed of the David times how long he has been driving plus 10 plus speed of the Peter times how long he has been driving to, because they both left their marks at the same time, which is why I picked the same variable t and t. Is that making sense? They both left the mark at the same time, which is why I picked the same variable t and t for both David and Peter. Is that making sense, someone? Is that clear? Very good. Next, what is the speed of the David? 80t and 10 plus, what is speed of the Peter? 60t. There you go, solve it. So 20t is equals to 10t is equals to 1/2 hour. But he wants the data in, which is 30 minutes. That's your answer. Okay. Is that clear now, everyone? Okay. Yeah, I used to have so much hard time when I was probably in 6th or 7th grade. I was not able to wrap my head around this. I used to go nuts. What the heck is teaching? And then it took certain, you need maturity also to understand the problems rather than simply, following instructors. Yeah.